down there, Chiquita. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's that Chiquita doing down there? What's that baby doing in your bed? You trying to get comfortable? Is that Chiquita trying to get comfortable? Yes. You love your bed. You love your bed. You giving me the side eye? You giving me the side eye? You want me to turn this thing off? I love filming you because you are such a character. Yes, you are. You are such a cute Chihuahua character. What's the matter? You don't want to look at me? You don't want to look at me, Chiquita? Okay, I'll leave you alone. You take yourself a nap, okay? Bye-bye.
From the couch to the yard, they prance and they play. Two tiny stars in their own little way.